version of a hostess. And then we've got a little captain. We have to get the captain. So we've got 1,000 yen. It's $9.90. Let's put it in English so you can see. Mascot Pilot Pikachu Haneda Airport version. Buy. Cash. Alright, you ready? Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, look, it's moving up. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, it's a little box. How cute is that? Gotta get my change. Give us 10 change. Oh, I'm sorry. That's so cute. Oh, look, the little grumpy Pikachu. The little heart eyes one. We need a slicer. Two. Pull up. Oh my god, it's actually big. Oh my god, how cute is it? Okay, that's really cool. Look how cute it is. Oh, on the back, it's got a little keychain just here. So just as I used this machine, everyone came over to see what was going on, but it's also a Pokestop. So that's what it says up there. This is the Pokestop. It is actually a gym, which is so cool. So if you want to use one of these machines, right at Haneda Airport. Follow us on A Road Less Travelled next week. We have a full Japan vlog series coming up. Subscribe for weekly content.
Ah,